of the morning to you guys. Beautiful day. Today we got all the boys coming. Not all, a lot. And we're preparing to load to go to Wekfest, one of my favorite car shows. Love the show. And we're just preparing. We got the R34 loaded already. Okay. Obviously I can't drive this yet because it's not titled, right?
No.
Let my commentate. Let my people.
Look at us.
No, let's see.
We planned this. We planned this.
No, your dick. Got the R34 loaded already. Oh. R34 is loaded. We got Uncle Rob in this bitch. We're gonna close up. I'll see you guys there.
A few moments later.
All right, what's up, guys? We just got done setting up for Wekfest. I was gonna show you guys us driving here, but let me show you guys the setup. We got the Mark V over here. Okay, in the end, took the hood off just to give it that extra little spice. I don't know if you guys remember this car. This is my favorite car, Clean Culture, that I mentioned. Super sick, so it's cool that we're together. And this is the lineup, the Speciale, the 1 of 1. 430 on LMs, slammed. Bronze Porsche. Got the R34 on the LMs. Damn, the paint is sick. There's a lot of sick ass cars here.
Oh yeah, fuck me!
I want to play techno music.
What kind of shit is that?
He was laughing.
Fucking
Fine.
little dick.
Take the fat one.
Take that cock.
Oh, sick.
Oh,
so you break dance and you suck dick?
What the fuck?
How do you do that?
Oh man.
Right here.
Bone stock, right? This one?
Of course, yeah. 100%. Street legal.
Those are just the radiators in the back, right?
One's an extra radiator, the other one's for the... No, it's extra AC.
Oh shit, yeah. It gets hot, that's why.
Yeah. And it's a hybrid, there's no engine in the front.
It's my favorite NSX, bro. It's so sick. Twin turbo, by the way. Twin turbo. And we got a turbo Type R over here. With the case swap. Woo! Yay! Look at this veil side. Old school with the veil side NSX, sick. I want to get all my favorite cars here, and I want to show you guys pick my favorite one besides mine, obviously. So Supra's right here. We took the hood off just for more, it'll look better in pictures and just look sicker without the hood. Boom. Match my boy over here, no hood. CSF booth. Again, I really like this car a lot. Ooh. God damn. This one's pretty dope. This one's clean.
Oh, yeah, see you later.
Yeah.
They love to hate us. Who's they, bro? We love Supra. Everyone loves the Supra. Right-hand drive too. Come on. Oh, that's kind of cool. Little gauges. It's pretty cool. Very Supra-ish. I love this fucking Rocket Bunny S13, you guys. This car is so sick. Silver. I've seen this car so many times that I don't think I've ever seen it in person. It's fucking hard. Carbon buckets. Fuck, I love this car, bro. So sick. Sheesh. Guys, I fucking love this car. RB swap. Ooh, this car is sick. Sick ass, bro.
Oh, dude, thank you, bro. I appreciate
The
it.
dreams are
Thank
made
you.
of right here.
Oh, dude, too sweet. Thank you.
Sick. ITBs too, huh? But hard. This is my boy John's car. Top secret Supra.
Brother.
So yeah, this car, everything is replica. This replica, the steering wheel, just it's all fake parts.
Flip power. Pinoy power.
Everything fake parts. Even the owner's fake, bro. Okay.
Wow, this car is fucking sick. Real top secret kid, everything, guys. I mean, we've been friends for 15 years. So, sick ass car. Definitely in the top. Sick. I don't even see this. How did I pass this by? Yay.
TE37s on the motherfucking Skyline.
Yes. Why'd you put T fucking not 37?
Why the fuck would I put TE37s?
Because it's JDM.
That's
So is BBS.
hell no.
Oh yeah, where do they make BBS LM?
Well,
My
it's
ass.
not China.
It's JDM. It's from
China.
Japan. Japan has two.
Everything is made in China.
No, it's not. It's made in
Yeah.
Japan.
China.
China.
Japan.
China. Even
China.
the vaccine is made in China.
LJ Garcia. This is LJ Garcia's car. This is LJ's old car, right?
Yeah.
Fucking sick. I went H22 turbo and when I was in high school in my EG because of this fucking car, dude. Straight up. Sick. I don't think you guys would really understand what this fucking car means to me, but it's definitely nostalgic, you guys. So just this car made me go H22 turbo in my EG hatch back in high school. Fucking LJ Garcia is sick. Mr. Our collab hitting 11 million views, 12 million and ongoing. The best video ever that I still watch all the time. I'm gonna link it right here. Fuck. My favorite cars, it's subjective because it's not exactly who might win based on points. But my favorite car, the silver S13 with the RB26 in there. I love that car. And I love the 70, and I love the Hako, the 72 Skyline. Where is it? It's over there somewhere. Oh, you want to see the trophy for this car? I'll show you.
Car of the festival. That goes to the R34 Skyline from AR Motorworks.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. AR Motorworks. Let's go.
Yeah. All right.
For the blog. Hey. Can I get a hold, yeah?
Can I get a?
later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm over here at King's Tire, my cousin's spot. You guys already know it. It's my cousin Junior. He's the best. My favorite part, look at his alignment rack. If you can drive your car on the street, it goes up on the rack. There's, you don't, my front lip is like 2 inches off the ground, and look at that shit. It just goes right on. This is the best alignment rack. King's Tire in El Monte. If you have a low car, this is where you want to go, trust me. But remember, in my last video, I was talking about getting alignment done. Well, fucking getting alignment done. We're also gonna raise the car. I'm gonna check underneath, make sure nothing's leaking, make sure nothing's whatever. I do have, so right here, there's some like oil collecting stuff. This is from the valve cover, so I need a catch can to install it. I have it. So we still gotta do that shit too. I'll probably do that later today. But today is just alignment. Junior's gonna hook it up. We'll see how she drives after. I'll keep you guys posted. Looks a little wet over here, but this is 100% from the fact that I don't have an oil cash can. So it's spilling over there, and dripping all the way down and dripping all the way down there. So, but the good news is oil pan isn't leaking. That's good. The rack and pinion isn't leaking. Okay, I can see everything here. The lines over there, that's not leaking, so that's good. Let's go to the rear diff. This is Junior, you guys. He's got a big fat cock. Bro, this is the most disgusting shit I've ever had. The fuck is this shit? Cardboard? Junior's the owner of Off-Road Kings. They specialize in off-road shit. And with crazy Jeeps and crazy shit. This is a brand new Bronco. Look at this shit. Lifted, big brakes, America, big body, soft top. It's pretty sick. Ready for you. Can we see your books?
My bullo?
The books. Accounting.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's run through it real quick. Car is done, you guys. I'm gonna take off. I'm going to 412. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're back at 412. I got the radium catch can, the dual catch can. It's for a Mark IV Supra actually. So it's for these non-billet valve covers. The thing is, I don't understand. These fucking hoses are ugly, dude. They're fucking ugly. So one thing I'm gonna change is I'm gonna get these types of hoses just to make it look all nice and reroute where it is. But for now, we just mounted it right here, air into atmosphere. So yeah, Sam's just doing that. And then after that, there's nothing more I need to do other than clean shit up. I'm gonna get these covers here. Just minor stuff like covers, just to clean it all up, just to take focus away from that and put all the focus over here and basically fuck Eduardo's little ass. So, I mean, we'll see. But yeah, we tried to mount it here, didn't look good. Over there didn't look good because I'm gonna do some things on the sides over there I kind of want to take away from it. In the back, it could catch fire. Over there, not much room. So this is basically a good spot to utilize all this fucking room here. So that's where we put it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, catch can done, wax done, alignment done, car done. Off we go. Friendly reminder to all the haters: eat a dick.